Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete a second Instagram account. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you are logged into the account you want to delete. At the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon. Then, at the top right, select the three lines to open Settings and Activity. Next, tap on Account Center. Under Profiles, you will see the list of all connected accounts. Now go back, select Personal Details, and then choose Account Ownership and Control. In this section, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Now comes the main step. Select the second account you want to delete. On the next screen, choose Delete Account and tap Continue. You will be asked to select a reason for deletion. Pick any option, then press Continue. Tap Continue again, and you will need to enter your password to confirm your identity. Finally, press Delete Account. Remember, this deletion is permanent, but Instagram allows 30 days to recover the account if you change your mind. So that's basically how you can delete a second Instagram account. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.